What the Australian Industry Renewable Heat Accelerator is doing is helping manufacturers explore alternatives to gas for process heat by providing some early stage support for feasibility analysis, options analysis, and also sector level roadmaps. We've got 13 projects underway across a range of industries from food and beverage, pulp and paper, commercial laundries, agriculture, and also bricks and concrete masonry.
Renewable heat is having a bit of a moment, and we're seeing that assumptions from 5 or 10 years ago have materially shifted, both in the sophistication of the technology, the cost of technology, but also in the ecosystem aspects in terms of where gas prices are at, where electricity is at. The game has changed.
What we've learned is that industry is ready to take action, that they recognise the risks of relying on gas-supplied process heat going into the future. Many of our industry participants have been surprised by how many options are available. There are industrial heat pumps that can heat to temperatures up to 150 degrees Celsius, which covers a huge range of industrial processes.
There's improved technology in heat pumps for achieving higher temperatures, and the emergence of thermal energy storage as a new technology class is really changing the game for the decarbonisation of the manufacturing sector.
So if your organisation is using process heat and wants to explore alternatives to gas that are here and ready now, please do keep an eye out for the practical resources that will be coming out via A2EP and a number of other channels.